Stay strong, my friends. Task 13. So this one, I will not do it in my lab because it's what you see is what you get, even though I have created the playbook for you guys to see. So they want us to create a hardware report that produces the output file hardware report.txt on all nodes with inventory host name, total memory megabytes, BIOS version, size of DDA, size of VDB, if present, of course. You don't have to create these subpartitions. They should be created for you already. Don't worry too much about, does VDA exist? Does VDB exist? It has to exist because they have to set up that for you. It's going to show like this. You get the empty file from there. Again, I'm using Classroom, whatever. They're going to give you the correct one. And modify to create values. So basically, you will download the file and add the desired contents there. So this is something like this. Again, I just reused this from other situations. I don't remember originally where I got it, but it's also a very common thing to do. And I just noticed a problem there, and let me fix that. Ansible facts, and I have whatever the case, though I don't know why, but an extra space here. And we should be good to go now. Yeah, it's fixed. Let me check the master file if it has a space there. Nope. Master file is fine. Again, the magic of copy paste. So yeah, let's go back there. This will run on all hosts, downloads the empty report to there, and we'll just build the new file with these new contents. Inventory host name. Let's see the PDF. Host name, yep. Memory, yep. BIOS version, yep. Size of the disk, VDA, yep. I didn't add here the VDB, but I forgot to add the VDB. You just need to duplicate this to add VDB too. Just need to extend this to VDB. Okay, which is fine. And that's it. So the inventory host name, size in megabytes, the BIOS version, the size of VDA. I forgot to add the VDB, but you just need to extend this for the VDB. And I'm not even sure if they ask you for VDB, but just extend this for VDB and you are pretty much good to go. Run the playbook and you are good. You are done. Okay, so take care of, did they say SDA and STB in my example here? It can be NVMe or something, but usually in the virtual machines, it's that camera. But usually in the virtual machines you use the exam environment, it's SDA, STB. Just be careful and pay attention for the names. Just SSH to the machines and check the actual names. So just do an LSBLK or cat proc partitions and check the names. And instead of VDA, just put the names there. But it should be VDA, VDB or SDA, STB. So I have in my playbook, VDA because I have reused this for other situations. And the last time I used it was VDA. But tailor that for your needs. And you should be good to go. And again, this is just a push for you to pass the certifications. I want you guys to get certified and go further in our careers. Study, it's your main tool, because if you come across some problems, you know how to work them out. So don't go to the exam thinking, oh, this is just plain A to B thing. No, this is to get you on the right mindset. In the exam, you need to have your knowledge down pat for this to make sense. All right? Like, subscribe, and comment if it helps, and I'll see you in the next one.